Hey, what's up guys, welcome to Cubic Soul YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can update data in SQLite database in Android Studio. So let's start. And before start, please I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with amazing programming videos. So first of all, here you can see that currently we have one table inside our database and there are 3 rows in my table. In this video I will update the phone number of the second row. Let's start. First of all, I will minimize this and I will open my DB helper class, and in this class I have to create a function here, public void update contact. Inside this function I will pass my contact model as an argument, and inside the body of this function I have to get the reference of my database. So I will type here SQLite database db is equal to this dot get writable database. Because we want to update the data, that's why I'm going to use get writable database function. But suppose if you want to retrieve data from your database, then you can use get readable database. That will give you permission to fetch data from your database. And next we have to create the object of content values. I'm going to name this values is equal to new content values semicolon, and next by using this object name values I will call a function put. Inside this function I have to pass 2 arguments. The first argument will be my column name. So here you can see that my phone number column name is stored in a variable key underscore phone underscore number. So I will pass first argument key phone number, and the second argument will be the variable or, and in this variable my data will be stored that I want to update. So in my case I will call and the object contact model dot phone number, because my phone number will be stored inside my this model class. Suppose you want to update the record of 2 columns, 3 columns, then you just simply have to copy this line and paste this here, and here you will type your second column name, and at this place you will type the variable that will store your second column name data. But in my case, because I only want to update the phone number, that's why I'm going to write this one line, and at last I have to write db dot update. We will use this function to update our data. Inside this function I will pass 4 arguments. The first argument will be our table name. So my table name is stored in a variable named table underscore name, and the second argument will be the object of our content values class, that is values, and the third argument will be our where class. So here I will type key underscore id concatenate this is equal to again concatenate this, and by using this contact model object I will type here id, and the fourth argument will be null. That's it. My code of my DB helper class is completed, and now I will open main activity.java, and here I have to create the object of content model class. Content model is equal to new content model semicolon, and inside this object I will pass my values. Model dot id is equal to 2 semicolon, and model dot phone number is equal to 345. So suppose I want to update this phone number at my second row. So this is the id of my second row, and this is the data that I want to update inside my table. And at finally I have to call my function that I have created in my DB class. I can call my this function by using this database reference. So I will type here db helper dot update contact, and inside this function I have to pass my model as an argument. That's it. My code is completed. Now let me run the app so I can show you the output. So friends, here you can see that the data inside my second row have been updated successfully. So I hope you must enjoyed this video, and if you have any question related to this tutorial, you can ask me in the comment section. We will try to answer your question, and please share this video with your those friends who want to learn Android apps development. And finally, thanks for watching.